Hello, this is Clyde, and I just realized that it's been 20 years since I started selling my slide chart, my vegetable planting slide chart, online. And in that 20-year period, we've had sales over 270,000 charts have been purchased. And we're very happy about that, and we're going to celebrate. And as part of the celebration, I'd like to give away 2 of our vegetable garden starter kits. And I have them kind of laid out in front of me so you can see them. We're going to give away a small kit that includes 7 seed packs from the Baker Creek Seed Company and 1 of my charts. And we're going to give away a large kit which includes 12 packs of seeds from Baker Creek plus 2 charts, and that's an ideal purchase if you want to go in together with someone else and share seeds for your vegetable garden. And I've been digging back in the records, and my wife found one of the old slide charts from the original printing, and there it is. It says 1993 on it, and it does not have all the information that the current chart has because we've upgraded the chart several times since that time. So what we're going to do is, all the people who purchase these kits, we're going to put their number in a hat and do a drawing, and then I'll be reversing the charges for 1 small kit and 1 large kit. That is, if I can figure out how to reverse charges. I'm pretty sure I can figure that out. If I can't figure that out, then I'll mail you a check, okay? So come on along for the ride and help me celebrate 20 years online.